In this video, we're going to talk about ethical hacking. We'll also be answering the question, is ethical hacking right for you? If you're interested in cybersecurity but are unsure if you want to go into ethical hacking, then this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll start off with what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is a broad term that refers to the practice of identifying security weaknesses in computer systems or networks through simulated cyber attacks. The goal is not to cause damage to the system, but rather to identify vulnerabilities, so that the organization can take steps to mitigate them before malicious actors can exploit them, also known as penetration testing, or pen testing for short. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques that malicious hackers do, but with the permission of the system owner. They may also use their own systems to simulate an attack, or they may hack into the target system using a separate lab environment. The main difference between ethical hackers and malicious hackers is that ethical hackers have permission from the system owner to perform their activities. This allows them to operate with a higher degree of freedom and often gives them access to more resources. As a result, ethical hackers are typically better equipped to find vulnerabilities than malicious hackers who must remain hidden to avoid detection. Additionally, ethical hackers are motivated by a desire to help organizations improve their security posture, while malicious hackers are motivated by personal gain. This difference in motivation leads to different behaviors and ultimately different outcomes. In general, ethical hackers are highly skilled professionals who are constantly in demand because businesses need to stay one step ahead of malicious hackers. They are often employed by cybersecurity companies or work as independent consultants. Now that we know what ethical hacking is, let's answer the question, is ethical hacking right for you? To answer this question, we'll need to understand the skills and qualities that make a good ethical hacker. One of the most important qualities of a good ethical hacker is patience. Finding vulnerabilities in a system takes time and often requires a great deal of trial and error. Ethical hackers must be able to sit still for long periods of time and focus on the task at hand. They must also be able to think creatively and come up with new ways to attack a system. Another important quality is the ability to work independently. Ethical hackers are often given a lot of freedom to do their work as they see fit. This means that they need to be self-starters who can take initiative and work with minimal supervision. They should also be able to work under pressure and meet deadlines. A good ethical hacker also needs to have excellent communication skills. They need to be able to explain their findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. They should also be able to work closely with other members of the cybersecurity team, such as incident responders and forensic analysts. In addition to these qualities, a good ethical hacker should also have a strong understanding of computer systems and networks. They should also be familiar with a variety of hacking tools and techniques. So now that we know what it takes to be a good ethical hacker, let's see if you have what it takes. If you don't possess all of these qualities, don't worry. You can develop them over time with practice and experience. However, if you only have a few of these qualities, then ethical hacking may not be right for you. Here are some questions that can help you decide if ethical hacking is right for you. Do you enjoy solving problems and finding creative solutions? Are you patient and able to work independently? Do you have excellent communication skills? Do you have a strong understanding of computer systems and networks? If you answered yes to most of these questions, then ethical hacking may be a good career choice for you. If you're still unsure, here are some additional things to consider. Ethical hacking is a very challenging field. It requires a high level of skill and expertise. If you're not passionate about it, you're likely to get bored or frustrated. Ethical hacking is also a fast-paced field. You'll need to keep up with the latest hacking trends and techniques. If you're not able to adapt quickly, you could fall behind. Finally, ethical hacking is a high-stress field. You'll be responsible for finding vulnerabilities that could put an organization at risk. If you don't thrive in high-stress environments, ethical hacking may not be right for you. With that said, if you're still interested in pursuing a career in ethical hacking, there are several online courses and certifications that can help you get started. Some popular options include CompTIA Pen Test Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker C, and Offensive Security Certified Professional OSCP. In addition, there are several online communities where you can connect with other ethical hackers and learn from their experience. Some good places to start include Reddit's r/NetSec and Discord's Cybersecurity Professionals channel. If you've decided that ethical hacking is right for you, congratulations. It's a rewarding and challenging field that offers a lot of opportunities to learn and grow. With hard work and dedication, you can become a successful ethical hacker. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your cybersecurity journey. As I mentioned earlier in the video, there are many different online courses that you can take to get started with ethical hacking. One of the most popular courses is the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CAOSC course. The CIC course is offered by EC Council and covers topics such as ethical hacking methodologies, network security, web application security, and mobile device security. Another popular course is the Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP course. The OSCP course is offered by Offensive Security and is designed to give students hands-on experience in penetration testing. Students in the OSCP course will learn how to conduct vulnerability assessments, exploit software vulnerabilities, and bypass security controls. Both the CS and OSCP courses are excellent choices for those looking to get into ethical hacking. However, the SEC course is a better option for beginners because it provides a more comprehensive overview of the subject matter. The OSCP course is more expensive and time-consuming, but it is also more practical and Ultimately, the best course for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. There are also a number of free resources available online that can help you get started with ethical hacking. One great place to start is the online learning platform. On this platform, you can find a number of free courses and tutorials on topics such as ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and programming. Another excellent resource is the website Hack the Box. On this site, you can find a number of free online labs where you can practice your ethical hacking skills. There are also a number of blogs and forums where you can connect with other ethical hackers and learn from their experience. One good example is the blog by well-known security Troy Hunt. Mr. Hunt's blog covers a wide range of topics related to ethical hacking and cybersecurity. He also has a podcast that is available on various platforms. In addition to the resources mentioned above, there are also a number of books that can help you learn about ethical hacking. One good book for beginners is Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Eric. This book covers topics such as buffer overflows, format string attacks, and code injection attacks. Another good book is the Web Application Hacker's Handbook by David Stoddard and Marcus Pinto. This book covers topics such as SQL injection attacks, cross-site scripting attacks, and session hijacking attacks. I hope this has helped give you a better idea of what ethical hacking is and whether it's right for you. If you're interested in getting started with ethical hacking, there are many resources available to help you learn about this exciting field. Now let's take a look at some of the common misconceptions about ethical hacking. One common misconception is that ethical hacking is easy. In reality, ethical hacking is a highly skilled profession that requires years of experience and expertise. Even the best ethical hackers in the world have to start somewhere, and nobody is born an expert. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to become a successful ethical hacker. Another common misconception is that ethical hackers are just a bunch of computer geeks. While it's true that ethical hackers need to have a strong understanding of computer systems, they also need to have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Ethical hackers often need to work closely with clients to understand their business and the risks that they face. They also need to be able to communicate their findings in a clear and concise way. Finally, many people believe that ethical hacking is illegal. However, ethical hacking is simply hacking without the malicious intent. Ethical hackers are hired by organizations to find and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. So as long as you're hacking within the bounds of the law, you're not breaking any laws by doing so. In conclusion, ethical hacking is a challenging but rewarding career choice. If you're someone who loves solving problems and has a passion for technology, then ethical hacking might be right for you. However, it's important to remember that ethical hacking is not easy, and it's not for everyone. But if you're up for the challenge, There are many resources available to help you get started. Just do a quick internet search for ethical hacking courses or ethical hacking tutorials, and you'll find a wealth of information at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? If you think ethical hacking is right for you, then take the first step today and learn more about this exciting field. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Secure Starto for more videos like this. Have a great day and best of luck in your cybersecurity journey.